Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start with the best ingredients. In this video, I will show you how to make pasta like a restaurant. You'll need about 100 grams of 00 flour for every large egg. This specific flour creates a silky, tender pasta. A small pinch of fine sea salt enhances the flavor. These simple, high-quality components are the foundation for truly exceptional pasta. Let's get started on crafting that perfect dough. Now let's make the dough. Create a well in your flour, then add the eggs. Slowly mix the flour into the eggs until a shaggy dough forms. Knead this dough for 10 to 15 minutes. It should become smooth and elastic. This develops the gluten, giving your pasta its characteristic chew. Afterward, wrap the dough tightly and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This resting period is crucial for easy rolling. Time to roll and cut. Divide your rested dough into smaller, workable pieces. Using a pasta machine or a rolling pin, gradually roll each piece until it's very thin, about 1 millimeter thick. This thinness is key for that delicate restaurant texture. Once rolled, you can cut your pasta into various shapes like fettuccine or tagliatelle. Ensure your cuts are even for consistent cooking. Finally, let's cook and serve. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil, salting it generously until it tastes like the sea. Fresh pasta cooks very quickly, usually in just 2 to 4 minutes, until it's perfectly al dente. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1 cup of that starchy pasta water. This liquid is a secret ingredient for emulsifying your sauce, creating a rich, glossy finish when you toss it with your freshly cooked pasta. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.